What's up, Peak Timers? Today we are reviewing the Batman animated series, and it is a treasure hunt with the treasure hunt logo on the top right there. And this is from the Batman series, car number 1 of 5, and it is car number 241 of 250 from the 2019 Hot Wheels set. But let's go ahead and pop this one open here. And there it is from the side, all black. It's got the quote-unquote pizza cutter wheels. That's what a lot of people are calling them now. And if we go ahead and look right on the top right there, you can see the treasure hunt logo looking great. And it's got kind of this very subtle flame job all around there. And then from the side of it, check it out, from the side and from the front, looking cool and very interesting animated series. The exit of the jets back there and the nice wings on the top. Pretty cool looking casting. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of this casting?